What you don't understand is girls and guys are not the same. We want sex, they want attention. Their attention, if you want, you notice when you watch, if you're ever mad at a girl, you know how they take away sex from you? You take away attention from them. Bro, it drives them crazy. That's how I pull girls. I literally take my validation and attention from them when they thought my attention and validation was gonna become easy, right? When they're like, wait, why isn't this guy giving me attention and validation, but everybody else is? So they start talking to me, and that's unspoken riz right there. That is something I'm about to teach y'all. Unspoken riz. Man, I had unspoken riz and I didn't even know it.
Side piece.
Bro, this is a deformed ass fucking couple, bro. The RNG for these motherfuckers is horrible, man. One looks like Caillou, another one looks like fucking Ernie.
Whew. What should we call our relationship? How?
What's up, guys?
This is RAWBYN, your bio language guru.
This channel right here that you just stepped on is the corner of men's self-help. I've been through all the fucking things you can think of. Depression, anxiety, approach anxiety, everything you can think of. Every fucking thing you can think of that you're going through right now at the young age you are, I've been through it. So when you guys ask me for advice, I have usually one of the best, if not the best advice, because I'm very conscious of what people do, and I just look at everybody's steps because of my PTSD. But this video right here that I'm about to show y'all is going to show y'all how to get a girl to become friends with benefits with you. It's much easier than you think. Now, the hard thing about it, because there's always ups and downs on everything. There's always the upside and the downside. Upside, obviously, you're friends with her and you just fuck. And she's not going to look at you like, is that all you want? Is that all you want? Because she knows what it is, right? But the bad thing about it is it's like balancing juggling, right? At one point, you're going to get tired and what? You're going to fucking trip and fall. And you're going to fucking fall in love with her, or she's going to fall in love with you. One of the two things happen, right? And when that happens, there's no magic spell to reverse the fucking spell, right? Once she falls in love with you, she can't just be friends with benefits with you. Because when she sees you with another girl, even if you're friends with the girl, it doesn't matter. She's going to be jealous because like, damn, I'm fucking this guy regularly and he's chilling with other girls. Or vice versa. Damn, I'm fucking this girl regularly and she's fucking with other guys, right? It's going to get to you. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind before you go and do what I'm about to tell you. Because I've told guys, they're like, bro, I just want to be friends with benefits with this girl. I'm like, if you want to be friends with benefits, just do this. He did it. He's like, dude, it's working. A month later, they fall in love. One of them fall in love. And the other girl's the girl that he fell in love with the girl. And the girl was like, I don't want to serious with you. I just want sex. And it was kind of like, I'm like, what the fuck? Where? Let me get that girl. I promise you I'm not falling in love if I get that girl, right? Now, this video right here doesn't show you step by step how to do it. Now, number one thing is you need to have a friend that's girls. Like, I can't really help you on that one other than you have to be around friends that are girls. The next thing is you need to change your demeanor. You're very upfront, right? You're either upfront or way too shy. You have to have a balance. And with that being said, cut the motherfucking small talk.
Would you ever consider wearing something like this in the bedroom?
Hey, maybe for fun. Like, low-key, if I was Turner or something, like, all right, yep.
No, don't ever do that. He's obviously joking. There's no way he's fucking serious. Friends with benefits. Just keep watching.
Hi.
Hello, I'm Noelle.
I'm Ken.
I'm Emma.
I'm Andrew, and we're sleeping together.
We are friends with benefits.
They look horrible.
Fuck buddies is more like you're not friends, you just hook up.
Yeah.
We were friends for like 2 years before we started having
And then the
sex.
benefits kicked in later.
You're a couple, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you're dating.
No, we're not dating.
Wait, so what are you guys?
Maybe like one day it could get to that, but like, like as of now, like, like we are friends and like we see each other and we have sex and.
Sounds like you're dating.
Yeah, just without the title, I guess. Can we take a shot to start?
Yeah.
Whew. What should we call our relationship? How would you define it?
Lover, side piece
Side
to
piece.
girl.
Bro, this is a deformed ass fucking couple, bro. The RNG for these motherfuckers is horrible, man. One looks like Caillou, another one looks like fucking Ernie. Caillou and Ernie.
Friend-ish.
I don't even know what to call this because you be making it tough sometimes. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing wrong. Like, damn, I be trying to get flowers sometimes. Don't work. Like, we have sex, it be cool.
This is not friends with benefits here. You could tell. If you get flowers for her, if you get anything sweet, anything like chocolates for her, you're not friends with benefits her. Do you get your friends that? If you do, you're doing something wrong, my guy. You can't be investing that much into a girl that is only investing attention into you, right? Like, What you don't understand is girls and guys are not the same. We want sex, they want attention. Their attention, if you want, you notice when you watch, if you're ever mad at a girl, you know how they take away sex from you? You take away attention from them. Bro, it drives them crazy. That's how I pull girls. I literally take my validation and attention from them when they thought my attention and validation was gonna become easy, right? When they're like, wait, why isn't this guy giving me attention and validation, but everybody else is? So they start talking to me, and that's unspoken riz right there. That is something I'm about to teach y'all. Unspoken riz. Man, I had unspoken riz and I didn't even know it. Like, I knew I had unspoken riz, but I didn't know the word for it, you know? I literally go in a room, not talk to the prettiest girl. The prettiest girl's like, damn, this guy's not giving me attention. I like that. He's not giving me validation. I'm searching for that. So they start talking to me, and I gauge if they like me or not. Some girls really pull up on me just because they want the validation. They don't even think I'm attractive, right? They just pull up on me thinking I just want his validation, and I'll leave. And I gauge it. I see why they here for, and that's why you need body language. That's why you need to learn body language, because once you learn, like, okay, she's not here because she likes me. She's here because she wants validation and attention, and she's gonna leave once I give it to her. You don't give it to her. You make her hunt for it until she starts falling in love with you. Not fall in love with you like, oh my gosh, I'm in love with him. Like, fall in love like, oh my gosh, I want this guy now. And before you know it, you're fucking the girl.
Cool. And then next day, now you're a piece of shit. Like,
I am going through something in my head, which is why it's kind of back and forth, but I'm definitely not messing with other people. So, like, it is only you, but...
Cap. You can even read her body language. Right here. I lay paused on it. She is capping. Look at her face. She can't... Girls suck at lying. A lot of y'all have this fucking misconstrued. Y'all think girls are the best cheaters? No, they're not the best cheaters. I know everyone says girls cheat better than guys. No, they don't. You know why they get away with more cheating? Because most guys are socially inept and they don't know how to read body language. You probably thought, oh, she's telling the truth right here. You can read her body language. She is capping. But girls push the limits. They think when a girl is talking to another guy and it's not just friends, you can tell, right? So when they doing that, they don't count it as talking to other people. They think talking to other people is actually fucking kissing, sending nudes. They take that like blatant shit. But all that underlying messaging shit, it's still cheating. Because girls get attention so much easier than guys do, and that's fine. There's no complaining here. That is how life works. But because life works like that, you guys cheat easier because you guys can get it easier. But she's capping. Look at her face.
It's the title part that just needs to be worked on.
My fucking wand. Oh!
What are the terms of this relationship? Are we allowed to sleep with other people?
Yes.
Yeah.
and she said you could talk to whoever you want, go be with whoever you want, and I'm gonna do what I want to do. And I said,
That just proved it again. Girls never do that shit. Girls never do that shit. What I mean by that is girls would never out loud say, you can fuck whoever you want, and I'm gonna fuck whoever I want, right? Because she does, deep down, she does, even though that's the terms, she's never gonna say out loud so you understand that. She wants you to pull that out yourself, right? She never wants to give you that permission. She never wants to make you, if it was up to her, she wants to go fuck whoever she wants, and you don't. So the fact that she's saying that is obviously saying that she's not fucking just him. Cap. She's just saying that to keep her purity down.
I said
Okay.
you are an adult. I can't tell you what you can and can't do.
It would be very upsetting if you were only sleeping with me. I think that would negate the whole point of it all.
Do you get jealous?
I definitely experienced jealousy. I think I experienced it for the first time recently when it was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna start
God damn, bro. These are two ugly ass motherfuckers.
fucking your friend. I was like, okay. I don't know. I don't know
Worried
that
I'd,
there's
like, lose interest,
Yeah,
or-
I was like, oh,
They're
there's
rough.
another cooler, hotter thing.
Have you slept with someone else since we've been sleeping with each other?
Yeah.
Yes.
nope. How would you feel if I slept with someone else?
A little jealous.
There she goes. She's saying the truth now. A little jealous? No, a lot jealous, actually. And it's because you're doing it. And she's going to say yes. If she says no, she is lying again. This is going to tell me where she stands at.
Would you take me back if I slept with someone else?
Yes. But I need test results.
Yeah, that's fun.
When's the last time you were tested for an STD?
I am sleeping with a man. I have not.
But you see how everything is? They're very chill with each other. They're very... When you want to make a girl friends with benefits with you, you have to be so casual with the sex part that she doesn't seem like you're just using it for just sex. Even though you can't make it seem like that. You have to make it seem like she wants sex more than you, even if it's not true, right? You have to make it seem like sex is nothing to you. So she will test you and be like, "Oh, we're not fucking today," right? To see how bad, desperately you want it. If you're like, "Okay, cool," she's gonna be like, "Wait, he is not desperate for fucking. I want to do even more now." Girls want what they can't have. That's why that's why they date all these bad guys, all these bad boys, and try to make them nice, because they want what they can't have. They know that these guys deep down are never gonna change for her. But the fact that she is trying so hard and putting all her power into it, and she wants to be the first one to do it, because girls are delusional. They think they can be the first one to do everything, right? Motherfucker, you're not changing that piece of shit. That guy is a piece of shit. You can't. If you polish a piece of shit, if you take a fucking dog shit from the ground and you polish it, trying to make it good, it's still shit at the end of the day. You can't change it. You can't change shit. It's shit. So, now I'm not saying to change your whole thing, your whole personality, and I'm saying you have to be more nonchalant around sex. When she brings it up, talk about it like it's nothing. And then you will casually start fucking her. I swear you will. You casually start fucking her. Because you in her head, she's like, sex is so casual, right? When you ever talk to a girl and she's like, you ask her you ask her a body count and she says like 90, and you're like, damn. She's gonna be like, okay, I'm not gonna tell the truth anymore because he's judging me. So when a girl tells you her body count, you just go and say, oh, okay. Like, I'm more experienced than you. 90 is nothing. Even if it's not true, right? You have to be so nonchalant with everything she tells you, because girls are very observant of how you judge them, right? So if you're like calm about it, like, oh, 90, even in your head, you're like, god damn, that's a fucking lot, right? If you're very nonchalant about it, she's gonna tell you more shit now. She's gonna be like more open, like, oh, 90 is nothing. Okay, I'm gonna get it out of him now. I'm gonna get the damn out of him, because a lot of guys are saying damn to 90. So if he's over here not judging me, I want to tell him more shit. And guess what? Next thing you know, you're fucking the bitch.
Not since gotten tested, but I should get tested.
Do you use condoms when you sleep
yes.
with them? Every time?
Yeah.
It would make me feel better if we're going to continue sleeping together if you did get tested.
It's all in one.
It's like a combo pack.
Yeah.
3 butt plugs in one.
Mama loves a deal.
What you got there? Oh.
Girls have every fucking Megatron, suction cup, 5,000, 3 fucking fists on one end, and it's not weird. A guy gets a little fucking pocket pussy, you fucking pervert, nasty motherfucker. Look, suction cup licking.
That's kind of cool. Okay, yeah, I definitely want to try this. This seems fun.
Have you been screwed over in the past? Is that why?
A lot of times.
You see?
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
I feel that emotionally, I have emotional issues.
What are your emotional issues?
Saying
Oh, that's another thing. You're not gonna get a girl doesn't have emotional issues to do friends with benefits with you, right? Every girl you have to find out if she has emotional issues. I know this kind of sucks. Like, I know it's kind of weird, but you have to find out if she has emotional issues, because she's not gonna do it with you if she doesn't. They're gonna be like, there's no way I'm about to give you my highest priority for nothing just because of friends, right? No girl thinks like that. So all these girls, you can tell, they all have emotional issues. Every single girl here have some type of emotional issues, and they're fine with fucking, right? So you're not about to get a normal ass girl do this shit. So you have to understand, there's a lot of bad things about it that guys don't tell you. Like, that's the ugly truth. That's why I don't do friends with benefits, because it's worse than you think. Like, it always ends up bad. There's no such thing as friends with benefits from a guy and a girl, at least, that it's gonna end well, right? It's never gonna end well. You're gonna get like maybe 10 fucks in, maybe a little more, and one of y'all gonna fall in love or get jealous. Most girls get jealous after the first fuck, because even if the fuck is ass, it's a soul tie to them, right? So with that being said, it's RAWBYN, because I've been fucking